In 1883, the Krakatoa eruption sent tsunamis and ash circling the globe, rewriting coastlines and wrecking ships along distant shores. A Dutch schooner off Sumatra rode a wave of black water as ash blanketed the horizon, surviving by sheer luck and a stubborn anchor. Rogue currents carried wreckage across oceans, forcing sailors to piece together maps of a world suddenly smaller. Oceanographers later traced how Krakatoa's megatsunami traveled thousands of miles, inspiring warnings that still shape maritime safety. That event reminds us how one volcano reshaped sea travel, turning silent harbors into stories whispered by the waves.